Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, I will tell you about the new airdrop from the Pumpfun project and how to get the project tokens. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find potential projects for you that could bring you results in the cryptosphere. As you know, you shouldn't miss such events. So I will briefly tell you what an airdrop is and demonstrate the process of getting tokens using my own example. I will leave the official resource for participation in the description under the video. Pumpfun is a platform for launching tokens on the Solana blockchain, which allows users to easily create their own meme coins. The platform has gained popularity due to the simplicity of launching tokens. Even an inexperienced user can launch their own token. Let's move on to getting tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens on your balance and conduct transactions on the wallet to buy and sell tokens. In my Trust wallet, there are Solana tokens worth $6,161. Next, go to the official website startpump.net, which is in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect a wallet that is more active and interacts with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear confirming the connection to the site, which must be confirmed, and we wait until the token arrives in our wallet. In a couple of minutes, I received 3,224 pump tokens. I recommend that you do not miss out and take part in this airdrop, as the criteria were as simple as possible. If you have any problems, write in the comments under the video and I will be happy to help you. Good luck to everyone.